Mode française et son influence sur le style mondial, French fashion and its influence on global style. Welcome back to IFT French Podcast. Today, we are stepping into the glamorous world of French fashion and exploring its profound impact on global style. From haute couture to streetwear, French fashion has set trends that resonate worldwide. Let's dive in. Section 1. The significance of French fashion. 1. Cultural influence. French fashion is synonymous with elegance, sophistication and innovation. Exemple, la mode française représente l'élégance, which means French fashion represents elegance. Practice. La mode française représente l'élégance. 2. Fashion capitals. Paris as the fashion capital of the world, hosting major fashion weeks. Exemple, Paris est la capitale de la mode, which means Paris is the capital of fashion. Practice, Paris est la capitale de la mode. 3. Global impact. French designers and brands have influenced fashion trends globally. Exemple, la mode française a un impact mondial, which means French fashion has a global impact. Practice, repeat, la mode française a un impact mondial. Section 2. Iconic French designers. 1. Coco Chanel revolutionized women's fashion with her timeless designs and the little black dress. Exemple, Coco Chanel a libéré les femmes de la mode contraignante, which means Coco Chanel freed women from constricting fashion. Practice, repeat, Coco Chanel a libéré les femmes de la mode contraignante. 2. Christian Dior. Known for the new look in the 1940s, emphasizing femininity and elegance. Exemple, le new look de Dior a redéfini la silhouette féminine, which means Dior's new look redefined the female silhouette. Practice, repeat, le new look de Dior a redéfini la silhouette féminine. 3. Yves Saint Laurent. Pioneered ready-to-wear fashion and introduced tuxedos for women. Exemple, Yves Saint Laurent a révolutionné la mode féminine, which means Yves Saint Laurent revolutionized women's fashion.
Practice, repeat. Yves Saint Laurent a révolutionné la mode féminine.
5. Jean-Paul Gaultier. Known for his avant-garde designs and playful approach to fashion. Exemple, Jean-Paul Gaultier est le couturier des rebelles, which means Jean-Paul Gaultier is the designer of rebels. Practice, repeat, Jean-Paul Gaultier est le couturier des rebelles. 5. Chloé and Isabelle Marant represent contemporary French fashion with a focus on femininity and casual chic. Exemple, Chloé et Isabelle Marant incarnent le style décontracté, which means Chloé and Isabelle Marant embody casual style. Practice, repeat, Chloé et Isabelle Marant incarnent le style décontracté. Section 3. Key trends and styles. Some iconic trends that originated in France. 1. Haute couture. The art of high fashion, characterized by handmade garments and exquisite craftsmanship. Exemple, l'haute couture est un symbole de luxe, which means haute couture is a symbol of luxury. Practice, repeat, l'haute couture est un symbole de luxe. 2. Chic Parisian style, effortless elegance with a focus on basics, tailored pieces and accessories. Exemple, le style parisien est intemporel, which means Parisian style is timeless. Practice, repeat, le style parisien est intemporel. 3. Street style, the rise of streetwear and its influence on fashion trends globally. Exemple, le streetwear français est très influent, which means French streetwear is very influential. Practice, repeat, le streetwear français est très influent. Fantastic job today. We explored the rich world of French fashion and its significant influence on global style. From iconic designers to timeless trends, French fashion continues to inspire and shape the industry. In the next episode, we'll delve into French art and its contributions to the cultural landscape. Thank you for listening. Feel free to leave any feedback or questions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next episode.